Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continuing support. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel at GA Online Teaching. Today we're going to continue with the topics of the total surface area and the volume of a triangular prism as well as a cylinder. Just a tip, total surface area and volume is a topic that starts in grade 8 straight through to grade 9 to grade 10 as well as grade 11. So in this example, I have the isosceles triangular prism. Now note there are many different formulas for triangular prism. I picked out the one easiest to learners. So remember, total surface area is the sum of the sides of the prism. In this case, because the front triangle and the back triangle has exactly the same area, I need to multiply it by 2 plus the perimeter of a triangle and multiply by h over here, which is your height of your prism or the length of the prism. In this case, most likely the length or the height of the prism will always be the largest number in your diagram. In this case, it is 10 centimeters. From there, I substitute, calculate and complete it easily with 5 marks. So 2 multiplied by half. What's the base over here? This is the base of my triangle, which is 8. Then I have a lowercase h, which is the height of, or the perpendicular height of my triangle, and that is 3 centimeters. Plus the perimeter of my triangle. So perimeter means adding all sides of the triangle. So 5 plus 8 plus the other side, which is 5. So 5 plus the 8 plus the third side, which is another 5, multiplied by capital letter H, which is equal to 10 centimeters. From there, put straight into your calculator, or you can do the calculations. So 2 multiplied by half of 8 is equal to 4. And 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 18 multiplied by 10. What does brackets mean to multiply? So 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24 plus 18 multiplied by 10 is equal to 180. Why do I multiply first over here instead of adding? Because I applied BODMAS or BEDMAS, which says that multiplying comes before addition. So 24 plus 180 is equal to 204 centimeters squared. So total surface area of this triangular prism done. Now let's move over to the volume. Now the volume is the space inside of my prism. In this case, it's a triangular prism. Now volume is the area of the base multiplied by how long or the height of the prism. So volume is the area of the base, otherwise my triangle, it is half base multiplied by height multiplied by the height of the prism, which is a capital letter H, is equal to half. What's the base of my front triangle or my triangle? It is equal to 8 multiplied by your perpendicular height of your triangle, which is 3, and multiplied by your how long or the height of the prism, which is equal to 10. From there, you can substitute straight into your calculator again or do the calculations. The half multiplied by 8 is equal to 4, and the 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, and the 12 multiplied by 10 is equal to 120 centimeters cubed. The volume of a triangular prism done. On to example number 2. We're going to do the total surface area and the volume of a cylinder. Now a cylinder has a circle at the top and the bottom. The great thing about the cylinder, you only need 2 dimensions. One is the radius and how long or the height of the cylinder. So remember, it's 2 multiplied by the area of a circle. And because there's 2 circles, the top one and the bottom circle that has the same area or identical area are multiplied by 2, plus the circumference of my circle multiplied by the height of the prism. So substitute 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by, what's the radius? The radius is 2 squared plus the circumference of my circle multiplied by r, which is equal to 2 and multiplied by 10 centimeters, which is the height of the prism. So over here, 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 multiplied by pi is 8 pi plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by pi is 4 pi multiplied by 10. Again, we have 2 different operations. I first multiply before I add. So this has to stay 8 pi plus 4 pi multiplied by 10 is equal to 40 pi. And over here, if I add this 2 together, it will be equal to 48 pi. And if I substitute it into my calculator, I get the answer of 150,80 centimeters squared. Onto the volume of a cylinder. Again, it's the area of the base multiplied by its height. So the area of a circle is pi multiplied by r, which is your radius, squared multiplied by 10. Again, straight into your calculator or do the calculations. 2 squared is equal to 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 10 is equal to 40 pi. And if I put that into my calculator, I get the answer of 125,66 centimeters cube. And with that being said, total surface area, the topic is completed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel at GA Online Teaching. Until next time.